You've just worked with Sarah on a few modifications of our first program, and I hope you found that you can make changes to the program without actually understanding all of the bits and pieces. But still, it's a good idea to have a closer look and know the lay of the land. First off, as I've said before, these two lines are pretty routine pronouncements that you have to do with every program. And most programmers don't think about it very much. It's like when you're in an airplane and the flight attendant says, we're about to leave, put all your seats in your upright position, put the tray tables back, turn your cell phones off, and most people just don't even pay much attention to those things anymore. It's worth noting the word main here. That means it's the main entry point into the program. It's worth noting the name of the program here, and all the other things are kind of noise for us right now. Let's focus on the important statement. Text like this, that's enclosed in quotation marks, is called a string. That's just a technical term for the text. This statement here prints the string. In the exercise with Sarah, you've seen that one can also print numbers. If you put a number or a mathematical expression inside the parentheses, then that gets printed. System.out over here is technically called an object. As you'll see in the next lesson, objects are things that do work for us in a programming language. This particular object represents the terminal window, the window in which a string or a number is printed when println does its job. Finally, this part is called a method. We'll talk much more about methods in the next lesson. For right now, just think of it as an instruction that's being executed. As you can tell from this part of the name, the instruction is to print something on the terminal window. What's with the ln back here? That says that it should also be prepared to make the next printout appear over here. So if we first print learn hello world, and then we print 3 plus 4 plus 5, that printout will appear here on the next line. Without the ln, that doesn't make the next printout appear on a new line. You'll practice working with both of these methods with Sarah in just a minute.